So you're going to a festival. Festivals are a place for making new friends, for finding new music. It's a place for smiling, dancing, love, connecting to the earth which you and your tent will be on. So what is this about? So this video is to help stop consumer waste. Not limit, but stop. First things first, you want all of your outfits to be secondhand. You can find more in this video here. And then secondly, we're either getting public transport or we are car sharing. 80% of a festival's CO2 emissions come from the travel of people getting there. Tents, for the love of God, you're not getting a festival tent or a pop-up tent. We're getting a good quality tent that you're going to keep and you're going to use year after year. 250,000 tents are dumped in festivals each year in the UK alone, causing 900 tonnes of waste. Here when I was working for Eco Warriors, we were encouraging people to keep their tents. If people wanted, we would spray paint them to make them into memorabilia, so you'll keep them year after year. Or you can also rent them, where they're pre-pitched when you get to the festival. Number 4, get a rucksack that's going to last you. And then tote bags, not plastic bags. We're bringing biodegradable bin bags, not normal bin bags. In fact, no, we can do one better. Washable, reusable compression bags. We're no longer going to buy plastic water bottles. Instead, we're bringing a reusable metal bottle, and then we can refill it at taps around. Yeah. Hey! That we can refill at all the taps around the festival. And if you want to jazz it up, you can make your own one. I mean, I made this at a festival, so that you always have it on you and it's less irritating than holding it. You can properly dance. We can go for collapsible water bottles because at some points they don't let metal bottles through. You can just always keep it attached. You can just always keep it attached to a little bum bag or a belt, refill it at a tap, drink from it, collapse it away. Please, if there is one thing you take away from today, it is to bring your own waterproofs so that you do not end up looking utterly ridiculous in these planet-destroying ponchos. Honestly, when I first saw these, just despairing of humans for a minute. Okay. Hello there, do you want to be in the next bit? Okay. Like, oh, yeah, there we go. If we're wearing makeup, then we're wearing non-toxic, cruelty-free makeup. I'll link a video here. And in terms of glitter, we're choosing biodegradable glitter. When it comes to removing makeup, rather than plastic bottled makeup remover and single-use cotton, we are choosing reusable makeup remover pads. Just add some water, take off your makeup, no waste. You don't need to go find a bin or put it in a bag. It's just this, and then you wash it. And it's the same with washing. So if you're using non-biodegradable, or to be honest, even biodegradable baby wipes, you want to be switching to a reusable cloth. You're just adding water and body wash too. And on that note, rather than buying the travel size body wash, shampoo, etc., get yourself some small bottles, and each time you go away, in this case to a festival, you're filling it up from whatever you've got in your house, so that you're not throwing away the small travel size bottles each time. We are opting for reef-friendly sun creams, so that we're not killing coral and wildlife every time we apply sun cream. And if you're someone who experiences periods, then check out this video for reusable, non-toxic period products. If you do not want something once you leave the festival, take it from the festival. Do not leave behind your tents, your air mattresses, your lights. Take it from the festival and donate it or give it away. And then the final thing is which festivals to go for. I would just encourage you to not actually go to a festival unless they're heavily committed to being net zero, to running off of renewable energy, supplying vegan alternatives, creating stages, for instance, out of waste wood, and also allowing artists, individual artists, to do the decorations around the site. Just simple things that show they have good social and environmental morals. Go have fun at that festival.